In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth in the Lightroom mobile app. If you've ever wanted softer, more polished skin in your portraits without that plastic, over-edited look, this quick workflow is for you. Before we begin, a quick note. If you like comparing edits side by side, consider keeping two separate copies of the same image in your library so you can review the original next to the retouched version. Open the Lightroom app on your mobile device, and if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so your edits sync. From your library, tap the photo you want to improve. Portraits work best here, but the process is the same for any image with a person in it. At the bottom of the screen, tap the masking tool. It's the circle icon with a dashed border, and it lets you target specific parts of the photo without affecting everything else. Next, tap the blue plus button to add a new mask. Choose people. Lightroom will scan the image and automatically detect any faces or bodies it finds, saving you the time of brushing manually. When the detected profiles appear, tap the person you want to refine. Check the boxes for face skin and body skin, then tap Create Mask. You've now told Lightroom to limit your adjustments to skin areas, which keeps details like hair, eyes, and backgrounds crisp. Now switch the toolbar at the bottom to the Effects panel. This is where we'll make the smoothing look natural and controlled. Start with texture and move the slider gently to the left, roughly between -15 and -30. Texture reduces fine micro contrast, so pores and small blemishes look softer while overall detail remains believable. Then adjust clarity slightly to the left in the range of about -5 to -15. Clarity affects mid-tone contrast, and a light touch can even out transitions and reduce harshness. Be careful not to push it too far or the skin can turn flat and muddy, which creates that telltale airbrushed look. Take a moment to look closely at cheeks, forehead, and jawline and fine-tune within those ranges until the image feels clean but still lifelike. Lower values increase smoothing, higher values keep more texture. If your photo includes more than one person, repeat the same selection within the people options for each subject. That's all there is to it. With just a targeted mask and two subtle sliders, you can achieve smooth, natural skin straight from your phone.